Hey, welcome back everybody. Mr. Fix-It, glad you came. Look, I'm going to talk to you today about something really important if you're working on your pipes. And it has to do with these quick fitting. These quick fits are very important to have. There you go. Read up on it. Okay, what they do mostly for me is lots of times when I make repairs, I'm dealing with two different materials with pipe. Okay, so it's hard to find a fitting that will adapt to both these type materials. So these quick fittings are very good for doing just that because they're just push fittings. Okay, so on these fittings, it has like a grommet in there, a plastic seal that has to go in first. Okay, it goes in the pipe. Put that in the pipe like so. Okay, see, drop it in like so. Okay, and then you're going to put your fitting over top of it and push it in all the way down. And then you take your other pipe, which probably may be coming out of the wall or the floor, okay, and you can, this one already has the white piece in it. I had it on there and took it off. Okay, so you're going to push this on this side. Okay, so that's going to adapt to most any 1/2 inch pipe material that you have. So you're not going to need to do all kinds of fitting magic to get this thing to work. What's also nice about these, you could take an adjustable wrench. They do make these little tools to help you, but if you push back on this seal right there, and you can get this pipe to come back out. So if you make a mistake or something, you don't have to burn up the money you spent on this fitting. You just take it off and start fresh. So you push it right back in. Now this one here just happens to have a T on it. Okay, and this T is made to hook up, say, your dishwasher, your refrigerator water that takes care of your ice, and you're just going to take and stick that thing on there. This is 1/4 inch, so you're going to want to make sure you have 1/4 inch to go on there. Okay, so the fittings have a big purpose, and that purpose is that you can put two different pipe materials together and make it work without having a nightmare. And we have enough more nightmares, we don't need any more. So like I said, this was called quick fitting. Okay, and there you go. They got a whole paper on it. Tells you what it does. It says it's, let me get my glasses. So no flames needed to install, no tools needed, installs fast. There's no tools needed, except like I said, if you want to take it off and redo it, you can use your adjustable wrench. So that's all I got.